Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyara, and if you've been here, like I always say, thank you so much for always supporting me. So me and my bestie did a style together. So we actually wanted to twin on something, and we thought, let us twin on these hairstyles, and it turned out well. So I did my own hair, and I wanted to show you guys how I did hers too. There are other parts that I didn't do on her and I did on me, and vice versa, and I'm going to explain it all through for you guys. So I hope you guys are going to love this video. Thank you so much, guys. And by the way, if you notice the ads, please guys, watch all my ads. Help a girl earn some coins. Yes, like I say guys, your hair is your crown, and you need to put it on well and nicely and flex it and on it. So appreciate your hair, be it a 4A, a 4B, or a 4C. My hair is a typical 4C. Her hair is a 4A or a 4B. And you don't have to have a perfect hair texture to like rock these hairstyles. You can rock any hairstyle with your hair texture. So yeah, it only needs confidence and self-belief, and you'll rock this pretty well. I only used one braid, the Angel's AVIS braid, for this hairstyle, the rubber bands, and only like 4 beads to like accessorize, because I wanted them to look really tribal, and they turned out so well. She loved her hairstyle, she looked amazing. And yeah guys, you can look good at an affordable price. So if you cannot afford to go to the salon right now, you can be trying these simple hairstyles that will make you look good and fresh and make you feel good also. And it is just that, guys. So love yourself, have your confidence, and believe in yourself, and you'll be good. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you love this video, if you feel like it was helpful, if you feel like you'd try this hair tutorial. If you decide to try it, you can also tag me. Yeah, I appreciate the support you give me, guys. Thank you so much. So until our next video, see you guys, and don't forget to be confident and have self-belief. Mwah.